Hello, Marcus. My name is Brad, and I'm sending you this video. And you're probably wondering why I'm sending you this video. My goal is to help people out there make more revenue and better their lives. And as a business owner, sometimes you don't have the information or you just don't have the time to do this stuff. You might have a marketing team. You can use this information for them or yourself. And again, I'm not looking for any money. I'm just out there to try to help you guys. So I hope you find this information useful. And again, you're free to use it on your own website. As you can see, I have your website up here already. Let's talk. We're going to get right into this because I'm sure you're busy. There's three things that I want to talk about. One is content, two is backlinks, and three is citation. Content, Marcus, is how many words you have on your web page. Okay. Google is looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words to keep ranked on Google. They have little robots constantly going out there and searching websites to see where you guys are sitting at and your competitors or anybody as far as that goes, whether it's hotels or plumbing companies like you. So I'm going into word count. It's a free tool you can use. And all I did is copied your URL and I'm going to paste it in here. There are other ones out there, like I said, that you can use, but this is the one I use. And this tells me that you guys have about 1,195 words on your website, which is good. Like I mentioned, Google is looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000. So you could use a little help there. And by getting more words on your web page, what that does is give you an opportunity to put in more keywords, which you can actually hide behind pictures, which the robots and Google are searching for. They can see them there. Um, and by having more keyword or words, you can implement more keywords into your website already. So this is your competitor. I'm just copying and pasting theirs again. I'm going to put it in here again. You guys are at 1195. Your competitor has. I must have missed it. Okay. Your competitor has 690. So they're quite a ways behind you. But again, you guys have some work that you could do to help bring in more words to your website, to bring you more backlinks, and also bring you in more site keywords. A keyword, let's talk about keywords, is anything you would type in to the header that you are searching for. So I typed in HVAC to find you and your competitor down here. Dale's right behind you guys here. And a keyword, once again, is anything that you're looking for. So if you're looking for a hotel, you type in hotels. If you're looking for pizza, pizza. I'm not going to bore you with this. I'm sure you know how to use that. But down here is what's called Mappets. Mappets is the second place that a customer will click on to try to find what they're looking for. Down here is what's referred to as organics. This is the first place that they're going to click on to find what they're looking for. So you guys want to be right here. And if I scroll down through here, I'm not seeing your company on the first page. I'm going to go into the second. I'll probably stop there if I don't find you, just because I want to give you more time to go about your business today. And again, I don't see you guys on the second page either. So you have a little bit of work to do to get in to the number one location here. So again, this is all doable, and I'm going to show you a little bit more on how to do so. Let's go over here. This is called Eris. This is not a free tool. It costs me approximately $200 a month to use this. And in this area, it tells me a little bit about your company. For example, we're talking about keywords. And in the organic section, you guys have 6. So you see heating and cooling. Those are keywords. Heating and cooling. You can see how they just change things up a little bit, and it brings in more keywords for you guys in different searches. So your top two right now are Harker Heating and Harker Heating and Cooling. I'm going to go back here quick. I noticed something over here. Your traffic value for your organic sections, bringing you guys in about $21 a month. Go over to your competitor, which is Dale's. And again, this is your competitor out there. Bring up their information. They have quite a few backlinks. They have 50 organic keywords, which is bringing them $355 worth of value. So you can see by keywords, it's really going to help your guys' business if you bring more in there. Next, we'll talk about backlinks. And a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable hyperlink text. I know that sounds pretty technical, but it's pretty much just like a popularity contest, Marcus, okay? So whoever has the most backlinks is going to win the race, so to speak. And what it does is it also builds trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you with your backlinks. So let's go to backlinks. You guys have two. I'm just going to click on it. We'll see what your backlinks are. So this is what's bouncing back to your company. If we go over here to your competitor, they have 328 backlinks. Again, 50 organic keywords, and their organic keywords are bringing them $355. So again, you guys, if you guys get more organic keywords, this is going to raise your guys' as well. Since we're talking about backlinks, so these are all people referring back to their company whenever they click on it. And again, that's what's bringing them up to be the more popular spot on in their business page. Let's go into citations next. A citation is anywhere in your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in this map pack, which I'm going to show you here again, our map pack, which is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. So again, right now you guys aren't bringing a lot of revenue in there, but if we work on your backlinks and your organic keywords, this will significantly change. Again, you can use this information I'm giving to you yourself to do this, or if you don't have the time or want for more information on it, you can contact me. So my phone number to contact me is 608-574-2784, or I'm going to be sending this video to you in an email. You can just reply to that email as well. I thank you for your time, Marcus, and you